Hey, Personal Finance. Welcome to week 11. So, on Tuesday, you're going to wrap up the Pick a Job project. That should be submitted by midnight. And then we're going to start our unit on insurance. Insurance is a really important part of protecting your financial health and wealth. And we are going to look at a few different aspects of it. The first thing we're going to look at is how awesome it is to have a job in insurance. There's actually a big insurance company right here in Lansing. You probably have heard of them. They're called Jackson National Life. And they employ, I can think of like 5 or 6 people that I know that work there. And I don't even know that many people. So then I'm going to tell you, do the presentation about insurance, kind of get us thinking about it. You're going to update your stocks on Thursday. You're going to watch a couple of the Foundation's digital videos to get some advice about how to pick insurance and what kinds of things you should have insurance for and how insurance works. We are going to do an assignment that shows you, hold on, let me pull it up. We're going to do an assignment from the National Endowment for Financial Education that gives you an idea of why it's so important to have insurance, because there are so many things that can just wreck you financially. And having insurance means that you're paying a bit each month, but in the case of something really big happening, or in case of like a hospitalization or a car accident or a theft, that you're protected and that you're not going to lose everything from that. So insurance is super important. We're going to hear all about it. And then on Monday, which is technically part of this week because whatever, we're going to figure out how insurance is calculated and why insurance works. The idea behind insurance is that everyone has a certain amount of risk, but not everyone's going to have something terrible happen to them every day, or even every year, or even every 5 years necessarily. So what insurance does is it helps us to spread out the risk so that we have collectively a pool of money that can be drawn from. So you might not need to, access thousands of dollars of health insurance this month or this year, but you probably will in the future. And it's easier to just pay insurance every month instead of trying to save up for that and everything else you're trying to save for. So that's this week. We'll see you soon.